Christmas is just 3 days away, and Dr. Bill Johnson is here with some surprisingly affordable gifts for all skin types that can really make a difference in how we look and how we feel about ourselves. Bill, how are you this morning?
Good morning.
Can we really have a dramatic difference in our skin for the holidays and for New Year?
Sure. It's easy to do. Some of the things that we do are more superficial, but they can do a great job to brighten things up in a short period of time.
So we can make those New Year's resolutions before it even is 2009.
Get started on them,
That's the way to do it. Get started on them so we don't break them. Okay, what is she doing over here? You've brought in your lovely assistant, and this is patient Rhonda. What is she having done? What is this procedure?
She's having a VI peel, which is a special skin peel that is an acid pill, but it's got a lot of special additives in it that allows us to do it on any skin color.
Yes, because we've talked about the VI peel on the show with you before, Bill, but we've never talked about a peel on African-American skin before. Why is that?
Well, a lot of acid peels can't be used on darker skinned individuals because they'll cause pigment issues. And that's one of the great things about the VI peel. It's been formulated specifically to be used on any skin type, so we can use it on light-skinned individuals.
Okay, when you say an acid peel, obviously she's getting this done on live television, and she doesn't look like she's having any kind of discomfort. Is that the benefit of the VI peel? It's effective without that downtime?
Without any, it's got no real downtime. You may peel some, she may be red for a few days.
But that means it's working, right?
But that means it's working, and it is not at all uncomfortable. A little warm.
Okay, we're going to check back in with her. She's going to continue, and we're going to get some feedback about how it's working. Is those results kind of immediate, or do they improve over the days after you get the treatment?
She's going to see her maximum results in about 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay. Well, there's other gifts that you can get at Innovations Medspa, like the gift of never having to shave again, right?
Right.
What is that about?
Well, hair reduction, laser hair reduction, is a really well-established technology, and because of that the prices have fallen quite a bit, and you can go and get 3 to 6 treatments that nowadays are very little pain, very little discomfort, and not have to shave anymore.
Is that the technology? The prices have come down, so that price has come down because the technology is advanced, but also the pain factor, because I remember when you talked about hair removal, it was really painful.
Right, and nowadays it's much less painful, and we can also do it on darker skinned individuals, which many of the older technologies you could only do on light skinned individuals.
Very nice. We've come a long way.
We've come a long way.
How about the wrinkles? Can we do wrinkles on a budget? Is that possible?
Well, the king of wrinkles is Botox.
Okay, still the winner.
It really is. It's such a great therapy, and it's super for the frown lines here or the crow's feet. Frown lines cost about, these here cost about $180.
$180.
Just not that expensive to do.
Not compared to what Botox used to be when it was first introduced, right?
And not compared to other more aggressive technologies as well.
Okay.
So, and then we do fillers like Radius, which we can actually lift the cheeks and flatten out I need a little here under my eyes where we've kind of lose some volume, and we can come put that back in.
I can take care of that for you, Bill. I can just pump you up a little bit with some Radius.
There you go.
Would you let me do that?
Well,
you don't want me
little training would be good.
A little training. So you're seeing men and women patients at Innovations.
Men and women patients doing Radius, doing Botox.
Doing Botox too. Sometimes they won't admit it though.
That's right.
But that's when you know you've done a good job, when someone just says you really look great, but you don't know exactly what they've done.
That's the goal, is to make you look better, but do it where no one can tell what we did.
They just think that you're well rested, which is the best compliment you can get. Okay, sometimes we want to check in and we want to be pampered with our face. We can do that too.
You bet. And one of the great things are techniques like facials, which we do facials in the office, and they're really nice. This is a patient before and after a VI peel, and you can see the difference that she's had in the pigment.
It's completely more radiant, and that's what it allows your skin to do, is all that dead skin cells are off of your face so that you have that natural glow.
And again, this lighter skinned individual, you can see how much of the darker spots that she had before are now gone afterwards.
Would this be someone who has some sun damage on her face?
Exactly.
And has sunspots? A VI peel would help.
And it also can reduce the appearance of melasma, which some women get with pregnancy.
Okay, let's take one look at Rhonda. We'll see her before picture. And so she had issues with her skin where she really wanted to exfoliate, I'm assuming.
And
she's saying, I don't even have to ask Dr. Bill. She's smiling. Okay, and now we're seeing the procedure working right here. So these results are pretty immediate.
Some of the results are immediate, and then she's going to probably peel and have some of the darker spots. Uneven pigmentation is going to get a little darker for a few days.
How about cost quickly, Bill, so we can tell people what this
Cost
costs?
on the VI peel is about $400, but we often put together two, and that includes $300 worth of product for an $800 total.
All right, very nice. Well, thank you very much. Happy holidays. Thanks for keeping us looking beautiful, Dr. Bill Johnson. And Innovations Medspa has locations in Dallas, Grapevine, and Fort Worth, and you can learn about these and other beauty on-the-run procedures for the face and body by calling 972-331-8844 or log on to innovationsmedspa.com. And if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedspa.com.